At the end of the day, you gotta be comfortable blowing up a motor every now and then.
Comfortable blowing up a motor every now and then.
Well, I done did it again. I'm really sick of this shit. This car is like a curse. Every time I try to just start having fun, it gets really nice. This shit happens. I was literally talking about how you're like, oh yeah, it's fine after you blow up a motor in that past video. But I'm feeling it now. Mostly because I wanted to drive this thing to my freaking wedding. And that's in 2 months. And I don't think I can afford to fix this thing in 2 months. So that realization hurts. And I think I bent a rod because I found a C7Z on the highway and I went to go race it. I knew I had to fix my plugs, or I needed to swap plugs. At least that's what we think it is. And it broke up at 6K. I'm guessing when it broke up, it was enough to bend a rod. It's a non-VVTi GE bottom end, so, you learn. Well, I found its limitations, especially with a tiny 62 on it. It's jamming hard on the lower sections. I mean, it's a bottom end, it's a stock bottom end. So I think, yeah, stock bottom end with this tiny of a turbo, too much torque down low. It broke up. It makes sense, at least in my head right now. I have a video of the noise it made. It started really low. I thought it was just, nothing, and then it got louder, and I said, oh, that's something. That is something. It's all right. It's cars. It's nothing like anybody fucking needs. I don't need this car. I was very excited. I was very happy, but, don't get excited or happy. All right, stuck on the side of the highway. I mean, it's only stuff like this that happens, like, in the shittiest of times, but Tom here has this sweet Del Sol. What does it make, like 600 horsepower? Yeah. About 600. Dude, thing's mega clean. I mean, the wildest part about this is like, yo, Henry, you good? I'm like, what's up, man? And he's like, we've known each other since New York, Long Island. He lived about 5 minutes from my house in Long Island. He recalled the time that I met him at Taco Bell when I had this thing and his buddy had a Supra, and it brought back just the craziest memories. And at the end of the day, yeah, I just probably fucked this thing pretty good. And yeah, it's really fucking sad, but the car community is just the best. Tom came over, he's like, yo, I got a trailer down the block, we can go bring it over. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So to continue off the video that I just posted, which was, what's it like owning a 2JZ?
Here it is.
You got to be comfortable with blowing up a car every now and then.
Yep.
And at the end of the day, it's worth it. Even I'm sitting here and knowing I probably got to spend $5 to $8 grand.
It's all part of the game. It's what we sign up for.
And I couldn't be happier to have a fucking friend that
sir.
knows the struggle,
Yep.
that just sees me on the side of the highway, stops and is willing to help. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So yeah, swap your cars. Just have a big enough wallet to keep swapping them. All right, we're at the shop. Jared's here.
Jay.
You're Jay?
Yeah, I'm Jay.
That's Jay. Sorry, I'm really. This is the second time today. It's okay. I've known Tom Fuentes for 10 years, and he saw me today, and I was like, "Who are you?"
It's like that. I'm very patient.
Sorry, Tom. Anyway, we're at the shop. The car is over in Ye corner. In front of the good IS. This is the good IS. This is the shit one. The shit one's mine, obviously. And I think game plan is I'm just going to look for another bottom end. And then we're just going to take it from there. Jared agrees. There's no reason why it should have done this. So, it's probably...
Maybe next time I'll check, pull one of the caps off.
I guess.
Sure
Yeah, that's what we started thinking. Maybe just this motor is bad. Someone in New York sold me this motor, so I'm coming for you.
It's probably a 300,000 mile.
It was supposed to be 70K out of a Mark IV Supra. Auto Mark IV Supra. I'll find you. I remember I bought it from Spunny, you motherfuckers.
Are you going to remember his name?
No. Oh, my bad, man. Yep. So, that's the end of this video. Jared says I'm making him look bad. It's not Jared's fault. Let's just all get that clear. And it's also not Lawrence's fault who tuned it. Car's just a fucking...
You're just cursed.
I'm cursed. And it was the same stretch of road. Right at the same exact spot, dude.
I mean, I'm not superstitious.
I'm about to be. I think I'm never going to drive that car on that road ever again. So, yeah. I'm going to go golfing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll update when I have it. I have to get the car to the wedding somehow, so if you want to send me money, that'd be cool.
Just tow it. We got tow truck.
We can tow it. Yeah. It'll still look good, I guess. All right. Say goodbye. This will be the outro to the video, and honestly, at this point, I think it's fun of bearing, and it's all right. At the end of the day, life goes on. There's still hot dogs to grill. There's still golf to play. Went to a pitch and putt and golfed a 35 on the back nine. Pretty good. But anyway, life goes on. I'm going to find another block. We're going to just do a short block swap, and then I'll fix whatever's wrong with this short block, as well as build my other GTE short block. So I'll have spares. It's just the name of the game. What caused there was no reason for this to happen. There was oil in it. I've been upkeeping it. It needs spark plugs. It needed spark plugs. Broke up at 6K. And then shortly after that, I kind of noticed oil pressure was doing something weird, but I wasn't paying too much attention to it. I just didn't, so we'll see what it looks like when we open it up. Stay tuned next couple weeks. See ya.